If you're using one tool for contacts and another for quotes and then another for invoices and another for spreadsheet to track who actually paid, you're working way harder than you need to. So what you really need is a system you can store your leads and customers, track deals and follow-ups, and send quotes and invoices, and also see money in versus money out, all in one place. So in this tutorial, we'll be breaking down the 5 best CRM and invoicing software tools for small businesses. Whether you're a service provider, agency, coach, freelancer, or trade business, we'll be going from number 5 to number 1, and I'll tell you who each one is best for so you can pick the one that actually fits how you work. And by the way, if you are interested to know the criteria that I used when I was coming up with this list, you can see right here it should be simple and clean, and you should get this CRM option that allows you to add contacts, deals and pipelines, notes and activities, also built-in codes and invoices, no exporting to Word or PDF hacks, and also online payments should be a must, which will allow you to accept card and bank payments right from the invoice. And automations is a must in 2025 going into 2026, as you want to be able to automate your follow-ups, reminders, and basic nurture. And also affordability and simplicity, something you actually use daily at an affordable price. Now that you know the criteria, let's dive in. And by the way, I've included links in the pinned comment and description of a few of these platforms that you can actually try out for free. And it will also help the channel if you were to sign up and try these platforms. Now let's dive into our list. At number 5, we have FreshBooks. FreshBooks is an invoicing and accounting software with simple client management built in. It's not a big CRM, but for many solo and small service businesses, it does the job. I would consider FreshBooks best for freelancers, bookkeepers, consultants, and tiny service businesses that care most about getting paid and tracking expenses with light CRM style features on top. How it handles CRM and invoicing? With FreshBooks, you will be able to store clients with contact details, notes, and project info, create estimates, proposals, and invoices from the same client record, also track invoice status, for example, sent, viewed, paid, and overdue, and you'll also be able to accept online payments via card, sometimes bank, PayPal, depending on the region you're in. And the reason why I consider FreshBooks a good option for small businesses is because it offers invoicing and payment collection, which is super clean and easy, and at a glance view of who owes you what, and enough client history to know who they are and what they bought and when. Things to note when it comes onto FreshBooks. First, the CRM side is basic and no advanced pipelines or sales automation. And better if you already have leads coming from elsewhere and just need to manage clients and billing. And if we were to check out the pricing when it comes onto FreshBooks, you can get started for as low as $8.40 per month, and it can go up to $26, as you can see right here. And at number 4, we have HoneyBook. HoneyBook is an all-in-one client flow platform. It offers basic CRM, proposals, contracts, scheduling, and invoicing wrapped in a very clean interface. It is best for photographers, designers, wedding or event pros, marketing consultants, coaches, and basically anyone who sells projects or packages to clients. When it comes onto HoneyBook, I would say it handles CRM and invoicing good, as it offers a simple CRM with pipeline, so you can set up your inquiry from there booked to in progress to completed, and also branding proposals, so it combines package, contract, and invoice in one flow. And it also offers automated payment schedules, for example, deposits, milestones, and final payments. And clients can sign up and pay online from a single link. And some standout reasons why I consider it a good option for small business. First, entire client journey lives in one tool. For example, you can set up your inquiry, proposal, contract, invoice, and straight to payment. And it is a great option for service packages and project-based work. So brand design, photo shoots, and events. and you look way more professional than sending random PDFs and bank details. And when it comes onto the pricing of HoneyBook, you can get started for $29 per month, and it can go up to $65. Let me go on to the monthly plan. You can get started for as low as $36 per month, and it can go up to $129, as you can see right here. And taking the number 3 spot is Keap. Keap, formerly known as Infusionsoft, is an all-in-one CRM and marketing automation platform. It also offers invoicing and payment system aimed at small businesses. And I would consider Keap best for service-based businesses. Think agencies, coaches, consultants, and home services that want CRM and email automation and invoices and payments in one platform. When it comes on to Keap, if we were to talk about how it handles CRM and invoicing, first it offers a full CRM feature with contacts, pipelines, tasks, tags, and notes, and you'll also be able to create quotes, invoices, and invoices directly from deals and contact records. Also, automated payment reminders and follow-up after invoices go unpaid, and built-in payments depending on the region you're in or the payment partners you have chosen, so you can charge from inside Keap. And if we were to quickly talk about why I think it is a good option for small businesses, first, you can do things like when someone signs a contract, you can send the invoice automatically, and when invoice is paid, you can move the deal to client onboarding and send a welcome sequence. And it is one of the few tools that combines CRM with email marketing and automations and invoicing fairly well. As you can see, when it comes down to their pricing plan, it varies depending on the amount of users and also the amount of contacts. But if you were to add 2 users and have 1,500 contacts, it would cost $299 per month, as you can see there. And if we were to go on to our number 2 option, it is HubSpot CRM. HubSpot offers a free CRM with sales tools, email, and basic quote and payment features, with paid upgrades if you need automation and also customization. I would consider it best for small businesses that want a real CRM first, but also need to send quotes and simple invoices and collect payment, all inside one system. And if we were to talk about how it handles CRM and invoicing, first, it is a CRM at core. So that means that it offers contacts, companies, deals, tasks, and email login. And also you'll be able to create quotes and link them to deals. And also in some regions, it offers built-in payments so customers can pay from the quote. And you can also use products for repeatable services or packages. And I would consider it a very good option for small businesses, as not only will you be getting a CRM, you'll also get email tracking, basic automation, and quoting in one free-ish stack. And also it is perfect if your flow is lead, discovery, deal, quote, and pay. And marketing tools, for example, forms and pipelines over time without switching tools. And if we were to check out their pricing, when it comes onto HubSpot, the pricing varies depending on the type of features that you want and the amount of users that you'll be adding. As you can see right here, basically it starts off at $100 per month. And at number 1, we have Zoho BIGIN. The reason why I recommend Zoho BIGIN is with Zoho ecosystem, you can easily combine Zoho BIGIN with Zoho Books, and this will give you the perfect suite of tools that you need for a small business wanting CRM and invoicing. The power combo is typically Zoho BIGIN for contacts, deals, and pipelines, and Zoho Books I would recommend you use it for quotes, invoices, payments, and accounting. They integrate tightly so it feels like a single system. And I would consider it best for small businesses that want serious CRM and serious invoicing and accounting set up, but without enterprise pricing. It is a good option for agencies, consultants, and service businesses, even small product businesses. And if we were to talk about how it handles CRM and invoicing, first you'll get a good CRM that includes leads, deals, pipelines, tasks, and emails and basic automations. And also when it comes onto Zoho Books, You will be getting the option to create estimates, invoices, recurring invoices, retainer invoices, and expenses, and also sync contacts and deals from CRM into books so you're not double entering data. And it also offers online payment through supported gateways with proper accounting behind it. And the reason why I would consider it number one when it comes onto small business, you can run almost your entire front office and back office on Zoho, as you can use their Zoho CRM for invoicing and expenses, even inventory if you need it. And it is great if you want to grow into more tools. For example, later on you could use Zoho Projects, Zoho Decks, and Zoho Campaigns. And it is also a very strong value for money compared to many competitors. And if we were to check out the pricing when it comes onto Zoho, for example, Zoho BIGIN, you can see right here, while you can use it for completely free, their basic plan starts off at $9 per month. And with Zoho Books, we can get started on their monthly plan for as low as $15. Let me see real quick. For as low as $20 per month. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.